again, artists and families. This week, we are going to be focusing on the theme, artists create what they imagine. Artists often get ideas from real life, but sometimes they change it up. And the wonderful thing about art is that you can make it however you want. Do you want a unicorn flying through outer space? Do you want to invent a new Pokemon? Do you want to imagine yourself as a superhero? Go for it. As Bob Ross says, however you think it should be, that's exactly how it should be.
Here are some examples. Try to think of a story to go with each picture. They are all unique and very creative. Imagine that each artwork is the cover of a book. What is that book going to be about?
This painting is called The Elephants by artist Salvador Dali. What do you think is happening in this painting? This painting is called The False Mirror by René Magritte. What do you think is happening in this picture? This is a collage by artist Jesse Treese. What do you think the story is behind this picture? There are lots of artists who use everyday objects to make sculptures. This one is by artist Brand Mix Art on Etsy. What do you think of this creature? This is a sculpture by artist Robert Bradford. He uses old toy parts to make his sculptures. What do you think of this dog?
Okay, those are pretty cool. So here are some artistic challenges, 5 artistic challenges that go along with the theme, create what you imagine. Remember, these are all optional, so you and your family can decide which of these you want to do or not do, and use whatever supplies that you have on hand. Hopefully this will inspire some ideas for your art time this week.
Monday's challenge, what would a pig mixed with a giraffe look like? Where would it live? Or any animal combination. Tuesday's challenge, what do you imagine a circus on the bottom of the ocean would look like? Wednesday's challenge, what do you imagine the world will look like in the future? Thursday's challenge, imagine yourself as a superhero. What are your powers? What does your costume look like? See if you can make a comic. Friday's challenge, imagine what you can create with recycled materials.
All right, so those were the challenges, and my demonstration today is going to be over how to create a sculpture out of some recycled junk. Hopefully you remember some of the attachment techniques we did 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade with cardboard, and for our younger grades, some of those paper sculpture techniques. I'm going to be pulling in some of those skills into this video, but the biggest point of this is that get imaginative with what you have around you. What kind of sculpture could we make with the materials that we have? Let's take a look and see what I did.
First, gather some recycled materials you think you'll need. In this video, I end up using scissors, tape, cardboard, tubes, and the magazine. I cut some magazine pages into some strips like this to use for the paper sculpture part of my recycled sculpture. Okay, so here you're going to see me play around with the supplies that I have and come up with an idea as I'm creating. And I'd like for you to do the same. Your sculpture does not have to look like mine. In fact, I would rather you come up with your own idea and create your own unique sculpture with what you have available to you at your house. Also, feel free to fast forward through this video and you can see what my sculpture looks like at the end, or keep watching and see how I create it. All right, guys, remember, I would love to see what you make this week. And if you send something to me, try to include an artist statement if you can. Number 1, what did you create? Number 2, why did you create this? Number 3, how did you make it? What did you use? Number 4, what did you discover or learn while making this?